Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. I haven't caught anybody up on my unboxing subscription box thing, so I had posted a video about Boxycharm. I think their Boxy Luxe box, the last one I got 3 months ago, and after I got that box I was like, oh girl, no, I'm unsubscribing. Like, I'll give it one last base box chance. And then I got the base box the next month and I was like, so I unsubscribed from Boxycharm, and then I kept getting FabFitFun like targeted ads on my Instagram, and I noticed that they had super goop in the box and a few other things that I was interested in, so I was like, you know what, I guess this is just a sign to go back to FabFitFun. So today is a FabFitFun unboxing for the summer box. It's actually so fucking large that I can't fit it onto the screen here, so I'll just insert a picture and it'll probably be in the little thumbnail. So let's just get into the FabFitFun Summer box for 2021, which is so freaking weird to say, but here we are. Alright, so we get cute little stickers in the box. I'm actually going to put an ice cream cone on the back of my phone, right next to fully vaccinated sticker. Yay, so cute. Okay, so as always, we get some like coupons in the box. We have one for $15 off your first box, so I'll leave this code in the description box in case anyone wants to sign up for FabFitFun. I actually am really impressed with it. When I had last gotten the box, there wasn't a lot to customize. The like add-ons and shop wasn't super great, but now I actually did get something from the add-ons. Not the add-ons, but they have a shop event after add-ons. Interesting. There was actually a lot of things I wanted in add-ons and for choice, but I accidentally slept through it while I was dealing with the puppy. Also, she has a TikTok. I'll put her little TikTok in here, but you should totally go follow Yoshi on TikTok and Instagram at Quirky Eating Yoshi. So I missed that, but when the other sale came along, some of the products that were out of stock from the first one came back, so I actually got a period cup from there. I've been using the salt cup for over a year now, and it's great. I just feel like mine's getting a little grimy. So I bought a backup and it was $11 off, because typically it's $30 for the salt cup, so it was $19, which is a great price. They also have like vibrators and like jewelry and a lot of really interesting, not just beauty stuff. And also, one of my things with Boxycharm when I was like unsubscribing was like, how are these things so cheap? They must be so close to expiring, and I feel like the discount we get from FabFitFun justifies, like, yes, it's not like warehouse discounted, but it's enough to be like, oh, okay, this is probably still usable. Anyway, so we got that one. We also have a Hellofresh thing, which I'm actually going to keep this for myself because I've been thinking, me and my partner have been thinking about getting Hellofresh to try to like learn how to make more recipes, and 14 free meals, including free shipping on my first box. Sounds really fucking nice. And then of course we get a magazine. So this is how the products come. They come in this little box, and they even give us a little fall teaser, which is cute. From the crunch of leaves under our feet to the cool breeze on our cheeks, here are some sneak peeks of what's to come. Embrace downtime from skin to soul. Get outdoors, and home is where the heart is. So I guess we're gonna be getting skincare, some kind of outdoorsy thing, and like it looks like home care, like a candle. So that's mad cute. Okay, and then there's always like literally a lot of literature in here. And then this is the what's in the box. So let's start with the first thing. There was all people got to customize at least 3 things in their box, and the last one is annual subscriptions only. So the first thing you could have picked from was Summer Fridays. I'm gonna move over here so I can put them here. The Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, the PMD Clean in Teal, which I already have, the Summer Salt Neoprene Beach Tote, the Virginia Wolf, which is a writer, multi-wear wrap, the Society 6 Outdoor Blanket, the Society 6 Wine Chiller, and the L asterisk space tie-dye towel. So I actually was really excited to pick up this, which was the Society 6 Outdoor Blanket. Now that Yoshi is in my life, me and my partner like to go like out and spend time in the grass with her. She loves the grass. I figure if I can bring an outdoor towel slash thing, I can bring this not only to the beach in that allows dogs near me, but also we could go out to like Central Park or a pier or something with the dog and have a little picnic, and she literally just sleeps in the grass. She's so cute. So I wanted to get this blanket. and I'm actually really happy with it. It looks really compact, but I know it like folds out to be really large, and there's a little handle on this, so it's like a carry friendly, which is so nice. It'd literally be perfect for the beach or for like picnics outdoors. So that is what I picked in my first thing. Let me see if they have values on here somewhere. This is $60, and this is how it kind of looks spread out. It looks really nice. So I figured, yeah, that's kind of what I want. So the first item was $60. And what's really cool about FabFitFun now is if you like two things from one section, like let's say I wanted to get like the Summer Friday CC Me Serum and this, if I paid an extra $15, I could have gotten both. So yeah, which I think is interesting because, you know, if you like two things, you do have the option of getting both of them now. So the next thing was customization 2, which everyone got to customize. It could either be the Draper James Ruffle Night Tie, the Whey Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager, the Millie Jewelry Case, and the OB Resistance Bands, plus a membership. There's different memberships for UK, Canada, and US. So out of, oh, there's still more. Then we have the Ray Done by Magenta Guac and Salsa Chips, the Sonic X Bluetooth speaker, the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, and the Business and Pleasure Cooler Bag. So I've been trying to get better with my hair because now it's long, and I decided I'm going to keep it kind of long because I look younger with it, so I'll get better, well, younger roles when I'm auditioning. And I need to get new headshots, so I gotta do that soon. So I've been trying to take care of my hair and learning about sulfates and everything. So I picked up the Whey Detox shampoo and actually used it last night, and it comes with this cute little scalp scrubby. This shit feels so good when you scrub your scalp. Also, this is really, really nice. It smells like apple cider vinegar basically, because I think that's a main ingredient in this. And I don't know how to explain it, but my hair just felt squeaky clean. Like it literally cleaned out all of the product buildup and the sweat and all the things that I've been dealing with for a while. So I think I'll be using this once a week because I feel like using this multiple times a week might just be too much for my hair. My hair today looks so silky smooth and feels so like light, and it's so nice. I also did put a moisturizer, a leave-in conditioner in after, but it just feels like clean. So I'm so happy that I got these products. This was another reason why I was like, yeah, I'll just get FabFitFun, because if I'm going to spend $30 on that and I also want the thing, it makes sense. These two together retail for $40, which is almost the price of the box. So that is the Whey Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. Then we have customization 3. Again, anyone can customize from this. So remember how I had said that I fell asleep during add-ons and customization? Well, the one thing I wanted sold out, so I had to buy it, but I got something else I really enjoy. So you could have picked either the Corkle Wine Tumbler with silicone straw, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, which is a US only item, the Living Proof Perfect Day Dry Shampoo, which is US and Canada only, because if they are, wow, when I worked at Target, I remember this. If they're like a pressurized can, you can only move them, I think, by like train, or like it's only ground, you can't air fly them, which makes sense why I wouldn't go to the UK. The AG Hair Recoil Curl Activator, the Poolside Water Resistant Pouch, the Bauble Bar Build Your Own Bracelet, the Malon and Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, and the Nectar Blue Light Glasses. So I picked out of this, I really wanted the Supergoop. It was the only fucking thing that sold out. Well, that and the Living Proof hair thing. So I actually ended up getting the moisturizer, which is from Malon and Goats. I think I'm saying that correctly. And this is a pretty big bottle because this is a face moisturizer. This retails for $50. My partner has been getting these candles and I really love the smell of them, and so I ended up buying the Supergoop Glow Screen. My partner and me have been talking about Supergoop, so after I didn't get this, I was bummed. I went to Sephora and just picked up the Glow Screen, which I'm wearing today, and it's beautiful and I love it, with this moisturizer underneath it. This moisturizer is so thick and creamy. It feels so luxurious on my face, and you really do not need a lot, so this bottle is going to last you forever. I typically use the Fenty Beauty Hydra Visor, but that is like, you get like a little bit of product, and it's $35 for $30 for a refill, $35 for the actual thing, so it's a little expensive. So I figured if I can offset the SPF 35 that I get in there with a Supergoop and a moisturizer, then that would like prolong the amount of time before I have to buy more of that, and then hopefully it can last me the summer. So I'm actually like, I wasn't super pumped to pick this out because of course it wasn't what I intended to get, but I'm really happy that I got it because this is so freaking nice. I see you, FabFitFun. So the first 3 things that I picked up, I love. Love. And so it's totally worth the price of the box. Like I said, the blanket is $60, the Whey shampoo is $40, and the Malin and Goats face moisturizer is $50. So that's already paying for the box almost 3 times over. Okay, customization 4. Again, I could pick on my own. This didn't have the most... This didn't have the greatest selection. I'm just gonna say that right there. So what it was the Sensuals Vitamin C Face Serum, the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray, the African Botanical Shimmering Gold Oil, and Brain Teaser Activity Books. So obviously, the obvious choice for me was a face setting spray. I don't wear makeup a super lot, but since it's a watermelon setting spray, it's more of like a refresher. It's not like a setter down, and I like to use mist in the morning and throughout the day if my skin gets a little dry. So I picked this boy up, and she actually smells really good. This retails for $22. The spray on this is actually pretty nice. It's made with niacinamides, watermelon scented watermelon extract, and it has a dewy finish. This is the bottle. And I'll actually put a little bit of spray on myself right now. It says setting spray, but I don't really think this would set the makeup. I think this is just to refresh. And the spritzer is really nice. This doesn't smell like incredibly like watermelon, so that's so summery. So I'm really happy that I got this, and I definitely will use this, like I said, in the morning to set my face. I put on a little bit of makeup today for you guys. This is pretty much nude sticks, just all nude sticks, and ColourPop brows. And this is a makeup I'll be doing for the rest of my life. Until like I feel comfortable going into stores without a mask on. Okay, and that's the end of where my customization happened. Now, members can customize 2 more times. Again, I did not get to pick this, but they sent me what I actually probably would have picked, either the Mented or this one. This is the Soar Selfie Ring Light, and I've never used a selfie ring light before, but sometimes when I'm on Zoom meetings, I don't have the best light. So it has 3 different modes. This is 1, 2, and 3, so it actually gets pretty freaking bright. Like... It's cute, it's cute. It fits on the phone, but my problem is it covers like this part of it, so I don't get to see the whole like picture that I'm taking, but it looks really interesting. This retails for $29.99, and it's definitely something that I would see myself using, like I said, if not in a Zoom meeting, in a Zoom rehearsal, to take maybe a selfie, add a little bit of light, whatever. So I'm pretty happy with this choice as well. And then the last thing was like bundle customizations. There were quite a few bundles. I'm going to put them up here because they essentially have similar things but different products. I think I got probably the best one that I could have gotten out of that. And if you didn't get the bundles, you could have picked Kate Spade workout socks, gel eyes from Beauty, a Skin & Co. Whipped Therapy Cleansing Cream, an Erno Lazo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, a Verso Botanical Super Eye Serum, an Ole Hendrickson Fat Glow Facial Mask, a Lashes MD Lash Conditioner, and a Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I think the only thing I would have changed is probably pick the Murad one, but it ends up working out because I got this bundle with a few different products. So it has the Art & Cook Citrus Squeezer, which is probably the only thing I won't really use, but if I ever need a citrus squeezer, this is what this looks like. Does it give me a value for the bundle? The bundle that I have is $55, which is cool. Me and my partner have been into making like cocktails lately, so I guess I could bring this over and we can make cocktails, or I don't know, I can make myself fresh squeezed orange juice, or I could donate this or give this away. But that's like the only thing out of the box that I really legitimately, genuinely probably will not use. Everything else is being used. So I'm, oh my god, I can't get it back in the box, the bag. Okay, the next part of that bundle, this is from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I actually put this on when I received it yesterday just to try it out, and it is the most luxuriously hydrating thing I've ever put on my face. It is so beautiful, and my lips looked so moisturized and plump. I just wore it while I was doing some work at home. It's so nice, and I think I got something Seraphine Botanicals in a Boxycharm and I wasn't super impressed with it, but this item I'm gonna be using every single day. It's so freaking nice. My lips have never felt more hydrated. And then the last thing, so Yoshi loves ice. We just learned this. And so I was super excited because I got pineapple shaped ice. So I'm going to bring this ice thing to my partner's house. And this is going to be like a Yoshi ice tray. Because she just loves freaking carrying ice around the house. And if I go to the freezer, she just sits down and is like being super good and will lay down for me until she gets an ice cube. It is the most fucking adorable thing I've ever seen. So this is definitely a Yoshi item, and that will be going to Yoshi. And that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box for this season. Let me just quickly total everything up here. So I paid $50 for my FabFitFun box, and the total value of my box is $259.99. $56, my bad, which I think is a great price. For me, boxes don't have to have the highest value, but I think the most interesting products. So because there was just so much to customize in FabFitFun, I really created the box that I really wanted. And I didn't pick like the most expensive of every product. Obviously, the Summer Fridays would have had way more high value, but I picked things that I genuinely wanted to use, which I think helped me and will definitely make me want to continue with this subscription box service. It's not all makeup, which is so nice. Like, it's genuinely stuff I'll use every single day, and I'm so happy that I got back on the FabFitFun train. But Boxycharm, I am never going back to. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next time I feel like uploading. Bye, y'all.